In number 6, we have the iRobot Roomba 650 robotic vacuum cleaner. This machine is for anyone who loves gadgets, first and foremost, but it is also a very useful piece of equipment for your home, especially if you have hard floors, which get very dusty really quickly, and if you have pets. If you're looking for a good robot vacuum for the money, it's for you. In number 5, we have the ILIFE A4 robotic vacuum cleaner. This cleaner is a very low-profile robot vacuum with multiple cleaning steps and cleaning programs. Once fully charged, this helpful vacuum will work to clean your carpet, hardwood or tile floors for up to 2 hours with no need to recharge. In number 4, we have the Neato Botvac Connected Robot Vacuum. The Neato Botvac Connected is great at cleaning floors, and it costs less than its app-enabled rival, the iRobot Roomba 980. If you're willing to live without remote controls, you can save some money by sticking with the previous generation of Neatos, but we think this one's worth the splurge.
Dog would agree.
Definitely. I mean, you look happier.
I feel like now I still get to be me and express myself without having to deal with the consequences that come with that.
With Neato, they can connect from anywhere. So now a plate of cupcakes doesn't give me anxiety, because they come back to a clean home, and it's nothing but love, man. Brat!
Neato.
Shut up, parrot!
Yeah, shut up, parrot.
I just said that, dog. It's crazy how this one thing completely eliminated all that dog fur.
Our old round one couldn't clean in corners, but Neato's D-shape has no problem getting in there.
Yeah, Neato laser maps and navigates the room, and then cleans up every last speck using incredibly powerful suction. So whenever I feel like chewing shoes, tearing up the paper towels, or yakking up the cat litter...
Dude, you eat my cat litter?
We both consider ourselves fairly domesticated, but there are just some instincts that we won't ever be able to shake.
Totally.
Neato.
I said shut up, parrot.
In number 3, we have the Eufy RoboVac 11C. This robotic vacuum is a refreshingly affordable smart robot vacuum you can control with your phone and voice commands. In number 2, we have the iRobot Roomba 980. As expensive as it is, there's no denying that iRobot's Roomba 980 is a gloriously advanced automated vacuum. With its environment mapping and self-navigation, the latest Roomba never ceases to impress. Watching it automatically guide itself back to its charging station is always a delight. Though its app is a little on the sluggish side, and it struggles slightly when rolling over cables, every part of the Roomba 980 experience exudes quality. If vacuums do become sentient one day, it's likely that they'll aspire to be just like this one. In number 1, we have none other than Ecovacs DeeBot N79. This machine is nimble enough to navigate through most homes without getting stuck very often, and that's what really makes most bot owners happy. Its battery life is the longest we've seen, it runs the quietest, and it has one of the better control schemes we've seen for the price, including Wi-Fi and a smartphone app. Ecovacs DeeBot N79 is the best choice for most people who want a basic, affordable bot that can actually keep their floors tidy. If you are interested in buying one of this product, links are in the description. If you liked this video, don't forget to give a like, comment, and a subscribe. As always, thank you.